friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you. Here you can see there is problem on your Samsung phone. The screen color, you can see there is the problem. Okay, suppose when I click on my gallery and here is the problem. Okay, it's look like, I don't know, it's different. Okay, so how you can fix this color? You can say this is the color inversion. Okay, so how you can fix this color inversion? So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, here you have to click on setting. When you click on setting, here you can see directly color inversion, or you can scroll on the down through accessibility. Okay, so here you can see the accessibility. Just click on accessibility. So after that, here you can see visibility enhancement. Click on visibility enhancement. Again, you have to scroll on the down. No need to scroll down. Here is the color inversion. Okay, so if you want to off, here you can see the magic. Okay, just click on this icon and here your color has been solved successfully. You can click right now on gallery. See, it has been solved. Okay, so this is how you can fix your color inversion or screen color problem on your Samsung phone. So friends, if you want to know that, you can click on this color correction. Also, you can correct your screen color by this red, orange, yellow, green. You can say this is the rainbow. Okay, you can change from here, or you can select from here triangle normally, blue, yellow. It says triangle normally, and prompt normally, it means the red and green. Then grayscale, you can see U-turn normally, then red, green. So you can select from here. This is the color correction shortcut. If you want to activate, you can activate. Okay, if you are interested in, you can try it. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.